So here the definition of potable water is given. The water which is suitable for drinking is called potable water. You have seen how various physical and chemical processes in the sewage treatment plant help to clean water before discharging. In the sewage treatment plant, that is the sewage which is collected from the city is then thrown into the rivers. So normally it is to be treated and then made less harmful and then it is thrown. But the water which is thrown into the rivers makes the water polluted. So the various chemical processes in the sewage treatment plant clean the water before it is thrown into a water body. The municipal bodies whose work is to supply water to the people in the city, they help to clean the water. Their work is to treat the water before supplying it to the households. So how water can be made fit for drinking? Most of us drink water which comes to our house through taps. So none of you, or maybe some of you, or we don't go and collect water from a river. We get water in the house and then we consume it. Before drinking the water or before using it, we normally don't do any chemical test. We just see that the water looks clean, or maybe we filter it or purify it in a purifier or an RO. Let us see how water can be made safe for drinking. Why do we talk about drinking safe water? Because water is considered to be a source of maximum diseases in the world. If you drink infected water, then maximum people in the world die or they have diseases because of water which is polluted. So how can we make the water fit for drinking? This is a physical method. Filtration of water is a physical method of removing impurities. A popular household filter is a candle type filter. A candle type filter, maybe you have not seen. A candle type filter is where water is stored in. It is a special container where there are two parts. The upper part has got where the water is stored, and then there are candles. Candles are chalk like cylinders which absorb the water and do not allow impurities to go down. This water comes and collects in the lower part and then we drink it. So this is a chalk type or a candle type water filter where only the soluble impurities are separated. It does not separate microbes from the water. Many households use boiled water. So this is a second method which is normally used by people all around the world because it is the most easier way of removing the impurities. You collect the water and you boil it. Now boiled water is considered to be 99% free of impurities. You have to boil the water for around 10 minutes. Mostly boiled water is given to the patients who have got infection. So boiled water removes the impurities and then it becomes free of impurities. People can drink the water and then that is safe. So these are two common methods which are used in the households all over the world. In the next part we will see what are the other ways and